So this is a very good question for applications of trigonometry. Okay, we have a spherical balloon. So I'll just draw a spherical balloon. Fine, children. Now this spherical balloon of radius r. So I'll draw a radius. I'll draw the radius, and the radius center is O. I'll take this point as A. So this radius is what? R. Now this radius r makes an angle of 60 degree with the point of observation. An observer is here on the ground obviously and is watching the balloon, so the angle of elevation made by the radius to his eye contact is how much? 60 degrees. This is what is given to us. So let us draw the horizontal line. Fine, because somebody is standing and watching, enjoying the weather plus the balloon. So now he is standing, imagines the eye contact is, eye point is here, the eye level is here. From here the angle made, okay, but obviously I have to draw a perfect angle. So I need to draw one more radius, Bachchan. So I'll draw one more radius here, that is B, and that is also R. So now I'll draw one more line. 1 second. Perfect. Yes. So this angle made by the radius at the point of observation is 60 degrees. Okay. So I'll rewrite this. This is 60. And this angle is how much? 60. So I'll write outside. Because of the next statement is going to create a chaos. Now it says that from the same point of observation, the angle of elevation now to its center is 45 degrees. So from this point same to the center. So this from that point to the center. So this angle with double curve, this is 45 degrees given to us. And now we want to prove that the height of the center of the balloon. So height means perpendicular line. So the perpendicular line from the center of the balloon. So I'll draw this way. Just see to it that you take a perpendicular line like this. Fine, bacha. This height. So I'll take it as this point of observation is P. This is Q. Fine, children. Now you have to prove the height of the center of the balloon, that's OQ. OQ should be root 2 times the radius. This is the question. I hope you understood the figure better. That's very important. Okay, the figure ban gaya. Now let us play with the things. Oh, one thing very clearly evident, PA and PB both are tangents. And you know very well by using congruency I can prove these two angles 100% equal by using CPCT, correct? So if this entire one is 60, so this angle becomes 30. So let us take that triangle now. So triangle O, since A is a right angle, you know why? Radius and tangent perpendicular. So OA as the radius, yes, PA as a tangent, and OP as the hypotenuse. So I'll definitely use, I need to have theta here, so opposite side, and the hypotenuse OP, which I'll be using for the next triangle. So uske basis pe I will catch hold of opposite side or hypotenuse. That means sine I have to put. So first let us take the triangle. So triangle OAP. So triangle OAP, and I'll use sine of 30 degrees. So sine 30 ho jayega, opposite side means OA, and the hypotenuse is OP. Therefore, sine 30 we all know it's half. OA is the radius divided by OP. So just cross multiplying, OP will be twice of radius. I'll hold it equation number 1. Fine, children. Now, what is the target? OQ. Acha, OQ idhar hai. So go for that triangle. So triangle OQP. Here this is 90. Remember, OQ is the height and height is perpendicular. So now I'll go for triangle OQP. So triangle OQP, again, theta is 45. So exactly I'll go for opposite side जो OQ मेरा target है. And since this is 90, so OP is the hypotenuse which is ready in equation 1. So opposite and hypotenuse. So again I'll go for sine. So I know very well sine 45 degrees will be equal to opposite side OQ and the hypotenuse is OP. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2 beta. OQ तो मेरा target है and OP is 2R. Correct? OP is what? 2R from equation 1. Okay, I'll do one thing. OQ वैसे ही रखता हूँ. 2R को I'll bring it here. So I get 2R divided by root of 2. Fine. So therefore OQ. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं ना, ये रूट 2 जो है उसको मैं थोड़ा अलग स्टाइल में लिखता है, रूट 2 इंटू वॉट आर एंड डिवाइड बाय रूट 2. करेक्ट? सो वन ऑफ द रूट 2 इज गेटिंग कैंसल, सो द रिमाइंडर इज रूट 2 इंटू वॉट आर एंड दिस इज वॉट आई वांटेड टू प्रूव. OQ is root 2 times the radius. थोड़ा R बराबर से नहीं है, bring it back. So done. So the इसमें बड़ा बात क्या था? To understand the figure. You get the figure. This is just a piece of a cake for you. Okay, fine children. So I hope you got this maths and this good question as well for 3 marks, or it might even come for 5 marks because the figure draw करने के लिए I think they will give you 2 marks at least. तो ये सब बाकी जो है 3 mark तो बनता है boss. So 2 plus 3 total 5 marks. Any other doubts? Priyesh is always there. Thank you. Bye bye.